it's JQ Crafty. I did not record an intro for you. But here I am with another use up the things where I am trying to just use stuff up in my stash, and I really wanted to focus on the pre-cut cut files and all these random scrappy leftover kits I have. So this is a really old kit from the Little Yellow Bicycle. That's the brand, I should say, the company. These are old kits from the scrap room, but this is a Little Yellow Bicycle. The collection was called Twig. I loved this collection. I've savored this kit that I got, this little mini page kit from the scrap room forever, and I can think of all the layouts I've used on it because I just love the blues and the greens are just perfect colors, and they're stunning. So I end up using up the rest of it today. So I have these 2 photos of me and my son at one of our mom and me dates. We like to go to the movies together, and I have this awesome movie strip or film strip cut file from Christina. It was from our advent calendar. It was part of day 5, and on day 5 we also got some fun printables that we could cut out, and we got popcorn and some things. And so this is the only thing I had left that I hadn't used from it. And so if you don't know what the advent calendar is, I did it for the first time this last year, so December 2019. It was the second year she did it. I hope she does it again. It's amazing. Redefine Creative. I'll have her linked below. She gives you an advent calendar of fun scrapbooking ideas and prompts. So if you do like a December daily, you have a prompt for every day, and it's fun, and it's all different themed. I didn't know what to expect since it was the first one I was ever getting, and because I kind of started getting back into scrapbooking this last year, and I don't do a December daily, but after seeing this advent calendar, I might challenge myself to try to do a December daily. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. But so far, all I did was I had 2 partial sheets of 12 the paper that were almost 12 by 12. So I combined them and did this split. And I was trying to figure out which orientation I liked, but I really liked this the best. So then I backed both the photos in the blue cardstock that I had, and then did the larger photo in the darker scrap of the pattern paper from this collection. And then I popped up the smaller photo on foam, and now I'm just going to fussy coat a ton of these leaves out of this other paper. And this layout ended up being super quick. It did not take me long at all. I want to say it took me like 25 minutes or something, because these leaves are simple. They're not hard to fussy cut. I had everything I needed in front of me. The part that took the longest was trying to figure out how I wanted these little leaf clusters. So I cut out a lot of that for you. But I get my leaf clusters figured out, and then I'm going to glue them down, popping up some of them on foam, some of them just the edges on foam, that kind of thing. But yeah, so I really wanted, at first I thought about like following the ripped edge, but I really wanted a lot of that ripped edge to be exposed. I liked the look of the ripped paper. So I ended up just doing like one larger cluster on the right, which is also going to house my title, and then like a smaller cluster on the top and the bottom on the left side, on top and bottom basically of that cut file. And so I have these old, are they freckled fawn? I think so. No, not freckled fawn. I don't remember what collection they are, but these old labels, I used them all up. Done. And here's my little bin of goodies, just random stuff that's on my desk, scraps and random things. So trying flicking through there, trying to figure out what the heck I can use. I end up actually using 2 things from there for my title instead of digging in and using thickers. And there wasn't a lot of drilling that needed to go on this, and it didn't need to be a fancy title. My son and I we try to do lots of movie dates. And so it was just documenting what movie we were at this time, which this was How to Train Your Dragon 3. And so I just wanted something simple, and like I said, not a lot of journaling. So it just says Hello Love. It was that sticker there. I ended up fussy cutting out. I added the hello from the clear stickers and then fussy cut it all out. And it's nice and simple. Yeah, add a couple word phrases from that old sticker sheet right there that's also in the little basket of goodies, I should say. So used up a lot of supplies older supplies on this layout, which is really awesome. And then I have some black, they're technically, I think, black pearls. But they're like enamel dots. They're just a little more 3D. Use up some of them, and that is it. So thanks for watching, guys. Slowly using up all my pre-cut cut files. Here's some close-ups, and using up some old items, old papers and stuff for my stash. Thanks for watching again. Come back next week. Bye.